Hi friends! Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this pink metallic eyeshadow look, and if you're interested, just keep watching. Ugly in 3, 2, 1. So I'm starting off with a bare face and brows done off camera. I'm using the NYX HD Studio Concealer in the shade CW07 as an eyeshadow base. I'm going to be using my Beauty Glaze palette and the shade Dust to set the concealer. Now I'm going in with the shade Pumpkin and applying that to my crease. Now I'm using the shade Burgundy to deepen up my crease just a little bit and add more dimension. Now I'm going back in with Dust just to soften up that line so it doesn't look too harsh. Now I'm using the shade Mud and applying that to the outer corners of my eyes. And back in again with my concealer and using it to cut the crease. So because I have hooded eyes, I apply the concealer to my lash line first and then I open my eyes and look up. That way the concealer transfers to my lid and gives me a guideline of where I need to fill in. Now going in with the shade Creamy, and I'm just using my finger to set the concealer. Now I'm going to take the shade Vampire and apply that to the center portion of my lid. I'm taking the shade Mermaid and applying that to the inner corners of my eyes. Now I'm using an angled brush and using the shade Bling and applying that right above that crease line. Stuff that you wish about. Stuff that you wish about. Now moving on to face makeup, I'm using my e.l.f. primer. The nozzle on my primer broke. I just scraped it out and put it in a little jar. For foundation, I'm using the Sephora 10-Hour Wear Protection Foundation in the shade Deep 56 and a NYX foundation brush. Going back in with my concealer, now I'm going to highlight the high points of my face and use a damp beauty blender to blend everything To set, I'm using my Airspun Loose Face Powder in the shade Honey Beige. Stuff that you wish about. Stuff. For contour, I'm using the Smart Shadow in the shade 05 from Kiko and a Revlon blending brush to turn my potato face and my Winnie the Pooh nose into a sculpted work of art. Stuff that you wish. With my Stila powder brush and my Fit Me pressed powder in the shade 355, I'm wiping off my bake and setting the rest of my face. Now going back in with that shade Burgundy, I'm just going to be sweeping it under my eyes. For my lashes, I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. freckles, I'm using the More Matte Lip Cream in the shade Covet by Milani and a bobby pin just to dot the freckles onto my face. For lashes, I'm using the Mink 3D hair lashes that I got from AliExpress in the number 03. Since I don't have a setting spray, I'm using Setting Spray's younger sister, Rose Water, to set my face. For highlighter, I'm using Champagne Pop by Becca to highlight the high points of my potato face and my Winnie the Pooh nose. I couldn't decide on a lipstick, so we're just using chapstick. That is the finished look. If you like it, please let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. I ate like a whole hot bowl of ravioli before I started filming this video, but it's like midnight. I'm still hungry. Why can't I just like wake up like this? I always have to wait until nighttime to film these, otherwise people make noise and slam doors and flush toilets really loud. Not cute. When I was in the middle of watching a documentary about cannibalism in Nigeria, I guess this house just does not want me to educate myself, because every time I want to watch something, the Wi-Fi goes out. The Wi-Fi here sucks. It's not working. Do you have any games on your phone? What am I even doing? Okay, I need to go to bed.